Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and tap on this kind of profile icon, profile picture. Now you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app, or you can choose it from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Just pick where you want to complete the section, so let me pick the gallery and let's find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. Now in this step we can change the size and the position of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So if you're happy with the framing, etc., just tap on crop in the right upper corner. It will immediately appear in this section, so let's confirm it with tapping on done, and as you can see the contact has been saved. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.